So the Fed is facing two more ethics-related incidents with the revision of the financial statements from President Bostic and President Bullard speaking at a closed event. So some senators, like Elizabeth Warren, are saying that this is a sign of greater ethics problems at the Fed. Could you talk about what this does to the public's trust in the bank and what the Fed is doing to prevent this kind of behavior from becoming common?
Sure. So you're right. The public's trust is really the Fed's and any central bank's most important asset. And anytime one of us, one of the policymakers, violates or falls short of those rules, we do risk undermining that trust, and we take that very seriously. We do. So at the beginning of our meeting yesterday, actually, we had a committee discussion of the full committee on the importance of holding ourselves individually and collectively accountable for knowing and following the high standard that's set out in our existing rules with respect to both personal investment activities and external communications. We've taken a number of steps, and I would just say we do understand how important those issues are. I would say that our new investment program that we have is up now and running, and actually it was through that the problems with President Bostic's disclosures were discovered when he filed his new disclosures. That's, we now have a central group here at the Board of Governors that looks into disclosures and follows them and approves people's disclosures, and also all of their trades. Any trade anyone has to make who's covered has to be pre-approved. And there's a lag. It has to be pre-approved 45 days before it happens, so there's no ability to game market. So it's a really good system. It worked here. And I think we all said to each other yesterday morning, we recommitted to each other and to this institution to hold ourselves to the highest standards and avoid these problems.
Do you have an update on the investigations that are pending?
I don't. So, as you know, I referred the matter concerning President Bostic to the Inspector General. And once that happens, I don't discuss it with the Inspector General, with anybody. It's just the Inspector General has the ability to do investigations. We don't really have that. So that's what he's doing.